In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variables in Grafana for dynamic dashboards. Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to add variables in Grafana to make your dashboards dynamic and easier to filter. Variables let you turn hard-coded values into drop-downs so viewers can switch context without editing panels, which is especially helpful for exploring different regions, clusters, or environments on the fly. Start by opening your dashboard and heading into the Variables section in Settings. Click New Variable to create one. This is where we define how the variable will behave and where its values come from. Give your variable a clear, short name, for example, region. This is the label you'll use later inside your queries, so keep it simple, avoid spaces, and consider lowercase for consistency. Think of it as a reusable placeholder that Grafana will swap with the selected value when your panels run. Next, choose the type. Pick Query if you want the list of options to be generated dynamically from your data source, which is ideal when labels or values change over time. Choose Custom if you prefer to manually enter a fixed list of values, such as prod, staging, and dev. Custom is great when you know the exact set and don't want it to depend on data. Select the data source your variable will query, like Prometheus or Loki. It's best to match the data source your panels use so the variable values align with your metrics and logs. Now, enter the query. For Prometheus, a common example is label values, node by uname, info, region. This asks Prometheus for every unique value of the region label found on the node/uname info metric. The exact metric and label should reflect how your environment is labeled. If your labels differ, adjust the query accordingly. Before saving, click Preview of Values to make sure the values load as expected. If nothing shows up, double-check that the chosen data source is correct, the metric exists, the label name is spelled correctly, and your time range includes data. Sometimes switching the time range to a broader window helps confirm the data is present. When the preview looks good, click Save. Your variable is now ready to use. You'll see a new drop-down appear at the top of the dashboard, letting you pick a region and instantly filter panels that reference this variable. This makes your dashboard more interactive, shareable, and easier to troubleshoot across different contexts without editing queries each time. And that's how you add variables in Grafana. Quick and easy! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.